In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an inclined dumbbell chest press on one of these Bosu balls. Now, firstly, I've got the Bosu ball ready, and I've also got a dumbbell either side of me, so one's in front of me and one's behind me. And the first thing I want you to do is just acknowledge what an inclined position is, right? So an inclined position, I'm going to have my head and my upper back in contact with this Bosu ball. And when I'm laying on the Bosu ball, I'm going to have my chest in a position where my chest is above my hips. So let me show you that in terms of what it looks like. So my head and my upper back is in contact here with the Bosu ball. My hips are on the floor. And in this position, my chest is higher than my hips, so I'm in an inclined position. The bigger the Bosu ball you're using, so if I had a bigger one, the higher I'm going to be with regards to my incline. Now, I'm going to bring these dumbbells into a position where they're on my knees. I'm going to come all the way back, make sure that I've got my head in the middle of the Bosu ball, and from this position, I'm going to bring the weights into my sides. So I've got my elbows locked into my sides here. I come directly up. I'm going to bring the weights into a position where they're above my chest, and I've got my hands, so my palms, facing away from the position of my head. From here, palms facing away, I keep that position. As my elbows come out, I come to a position where my final position, you'll notice my elbows are just below the position of my shoulders, and I push back up and in at the same time. So dumbbells come away from each other and down. You're looking for that right angle at the elbow or just below. From here, push straight back up, and you're going to repeat this for your desired amount of repetitions. So that was palms facing each other. You push the weights up, then palms facing away from the position of your head, elbows coming down and away from the body, elbows just below shoulders, push back up to your start position, and once you've done your final repetition, palms face each other, bring the weights down and crunch back up. You can then pop the weights down, and that would be how you do a Bosu ball inclined chest press. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.